Before we begin, hit that follow button if this is content you like. Motor control combat. That's pretty much your controller right there. One thing that you can do is actually just go into your service menu and try to calibrate the machine using the pause button. So you turn the machine on. While it's initializing, press and hold the pause button, just like that. And then that will take you into the service menu. And then from the service menu, you have everything at your disposal. Now you can just use this speed increase button to navigate the system tests, information, maintenance, configuration, and just use the enter button to the right of the screen to select. It's not showing on the screen here, but the enter button is to the right of the screen, and you will use that to enter or select whichever option you like. To do a calibration, you would enter on maintenance and then just basically follow the instructions from there. And that's it. Follow me for more gym equipment tips just like this.